can I recall the exam day? I think CAT is one of those days that is difficult to forget, but you can't really remember the details of how that day went. I think while I'll remember the CAT particularly is because just the experience of writing an exam in the middle of COVID, going to that center with like masks and gloves, was, I think, a very unique, once in a lifetime kind of experience. Um, on what was going through my mind, I think at that point I had given enough mocks, and I think credit for that goes to sir and ma'am, is that I felt I was so well trained by that point that the exam felt like one more mock or one more kind of practice test that I was giving. And I think really the objective of the mocks was to develop that kind of comfort with the actual test paper itself. So it felt, of course, there was nervousness, there was anxiety, and I knew the stakes were fairly high. But that being said, I had managed over time to develop a kind of comfort with, the 2 hour time limit, the interface itself, managing. So I had never, for example, appeared for an exam on a computer. And I've typically written pen like OMR sheet exams. So I was over time able to develop that comfort, and I think that went a long way in helping me feel more confident during the paper. What did I do a few days before the exam? So over time, I had started putting together like a master book that I would refer to frequently before mocks. So that would have, for example, I divided it into 3 sections. It would have important formulae, some words from vocabulary that I felt I was uncomfortable with, or in any observation about the way I was appearing for the paper that I thought would be important for me to remember before I actually appear for it. So what I was doing, I think in the week before the exam, is I was frequently going back to that book, remembering that it'll be better to make new mistakes on that actual day than to repeat mistakes I've already been making. And the other thing I was doing was I was still putting in about 3.5 hours a day, ensuring that I practiced enough sums. So I think that helped me stay in the zone where I was still comfortable with different kinds of math problems. Any tips for the students? I don't know how qualified I am to give out tips, but I think what I'll say is this, that over time, in my experience, you will hear lots of like fundas and hacks to cracking the CAT. So there's a lot of incoming volume in terms of the information you'll see. I think one thing in hindsight that really helped me is remembering that all these general formulae can exist, but what is important is how do you tailor your preparation and your practice in a way that makes you feel well prepared for the final day. So I think while there is lots of amazing advice on how you can do well in the exam, choosing which one works for you and which one doesn't is a call that you will have to take a lot, that in a way that is independent to you and custom to you. So I think it's important to not lose sight of that and to not get in that race of this is working for so and so person and why is it not working for me. And I think the other key thing is that it's not important to hack every section every time. I think what you should be targeting, and what I targeted, was just incremental growth in each mock that I was appearing for. I think just that small improvement every time kind of compounded over time, and that's what I think helped me see results on the actual day. So I think having sight of that can be something that's incredibly useful.